Hey everyone, welcome to this AI 900 Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals course. This course is a beginner friendly and business ready course that helps you in understanding the real world potential of the artificial intelligence in the Microsoft cloud ecosystem. You don't need to be a developer or data scientist to start your AI journey. This course is designed for anyone, be it business professionals, students, or the tech enthusiasts who want to understand how AI works and how Microsoft delivers the intelligent solutions. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of artificial intelligence and machine learning, real world use cases like the image recognition, language understanding, and the AI powered bots. How Microsoft Azure brings these AI services to life, and why the ethical and responsible AI matters more than ever. We won't just talk theory, you will explore the live demonstrations, hands on labs, and walkthroughs for actual Azure AI services like the cognitive services, Azure machine learning, and conversational AI tools. This course helps you to prepare for the official AI 900 certification exam, which is a recognized credential to showcase your AI knowledge and the cloud skills. AI is transforming every industry, and now it is time to get future ready. So grab your curiosity and let's dive into the world of AI with Microsoft Azure.